In this video, we are going to learn most difficult grammar, that is Karak. In English, it is case.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I am here to improve your level of Hindi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and even press bell icon for my new update. So, let's seize the day.
Before I start, thank you. I really appreciate your comments. Thank you all for encouraging me. Let's see Karak ki paribhasha. Means definition of Karak. Sangya या सर्वनाम. संज्ञा means noun, सर्वनाम means pronoun के जिस रूप से उसका सीधा संबंध क्रिया means verb के साथ ज्ञात हो वो कारक कहलाता है. In English, it means the form of noun or pronoun which shows the relationship with other words or verb. In the sentence, it is called karak. In short, karak are the words that connect subject, object and verbs to each other to form a sentence. We have 8 types of karak in Hindi. So let's move on to sampradan-karak. The key word is say. Today we will learn sampradan-karak say. Yes, in previous video we have learned Karan-karak say. That is also say. But this say is different. Means in Karan-karak say means by something or with something. Here we will learn sampradan-karak. Sampradan-karak say. We use say wherever we have from. The preposition from in English sentences. So we use say after the noun or pronoun from which something is getting separated. This is known as sampradan-karak. Let's see some example now. The first one, पेड़ से पत्ता गिरा. Meaning of this sentence, leaf fell from the tree. So we use say after the word पेड़. पेड़ means tree. We will write पेड़ से, which means the leaf is getting separated from the trees. The next example, वो दफ्तर से घर जा रही है. Meaning of this sentence, she is going home from office. So we will write say after daftar. Daftar means office. That means she is going away from the office. The next example, गंगा हिमालय से निकलती है. Meaning of this sentence, Ganga originates from the Himalaya. So after Himalaya we will write say. So now the water is being separated from Himalaya. So that's why we will write say. So sampradan-karak say means something is getting separated from something. So let's revise one more time. पेड़ से means separated from tree. दफ्तर से means separated from office. Himalaya se means separated from Himalaya. Let's move on to sampradan-karak. The keywords are ka, ke, key. Let's learn how to use ka, ke and ki in Hindi sentences. Ka, ke, ki represent the apostrophes, that is belonging. Okay, it shows possession. So when to use ka? Ka we use with singular masculine gender. Ki we use for singular feminine gender. Singular feminine gender. And ke we use for plurals and even for elders such as Pitaji, Mataji, Adhyapak, Adhyapaka, Chacha, Mami, etc. Let's understand this with some example. The first example is Mona का भाई साइकिल चला रहा है. Meaning, Mona's brother is riding the cycle. So here, Mona ka bhai means Mona's brother. So bhai is singular masculine gender. So we have used ka, Mona ka, Mona's brother. Let's see the next example. ये विकास की गाड़ी है. This is Vikas car. So गाड़ी or the car we consider as feminine gender. So that's why we have used की. विकास की गाड़ी. So between Vikas and Gadi, we have to use ki. ये विकास की गाड़ी है. Next example. उसके दोनों बेटे पुलिस वाले हैं. Means her both children are policemen. K. So that's why we have used the plural form ke. Dono, that is the plural form. So we have used ke. Here one important note. When we use ka, ki, ke with pronoun, we write together. For example, uska. Uska means his. Uski. Uski means her. Unke. Unke means their. So, when we use ka, ke, ki with pronoun, we write together. Let's continue with the example. Go. The next is वो राहुल के पिता हैं. Mean he is Rahul's father. As I mentioned earlier, for elder, even if he, she is singular, we use plural form, that is ke. Because pita, father, is elder person, so we have used the plural form ke. In Hindi, we use the plural form for the elder person in order to give them respect. In Hindi, we use the plural form for the elder person in order to give them respect. Okay. Now, pause the video and test yourself. Identify which are sampradan-karak and sampradan-karak among these sentences. The first sentence, पानी पाइप से आ रहा है, meaning the water is coming from pipe or hose. So, the water is coming from the hose. Second sentence, ये सब राजेश के खिलौने हैं. These all are Rajesh toys. Third sentence. चिड़िया पेड़ से उड़ गई. The bird flew away from the tree. The fourth and the last sentence. सीतापुर मोहन का गांव है. Sitapur is Mohan's village. Now you can check your answer, and if you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So this is the end of the video. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.